You can print a worksheet for a design in the design library using the Manage Designs Toolbox Print Selected tool. Let's see how that works. If you aren't currently in the design library, you can get there by clicking the Design Library tab or by clicking on Manage Designs. Notice that Print Selected is grayed out. It's because we haven't made a selection yet. So I'll select this wolf, and now I can click Print Selected. It opens the design, and it also opens the print dialog box. You can select a different printer, or in my case, I can print to a PDF. Down here we have some extra buttons. For example, we have our options, where we can select what we want to have printed on our worksheet. If I make any changes, I'll just click OK. I can also preview my worksheet so I know what it's going to look like. And here's my worksheet. Once again, I could go to the options and make any changes here. Now at this point, if I choose Print Now, it's going to print to whatever my default printer is. I'll click Close. Now a couple of other things. You can only select one design at a time for Print Selected. Also, your printer and PDF, these are not controlled or set up by Hatch. They are whatever you've got set up in your operating system. However, Hatch can work with most printers. For help with your printers, you will want to contact your printer company.